Hello friends, good evening to all. Hope you are all well and good. In the first video of this solution series, we solved a very important as well as interesting question on limit. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the solution, you may write in the chat box also. Now we are going to discuss the solution of another important problem on limit, which is similar to the previous one. Let us now see the question at first. The question is based on limit of a sequence. This is question number 2. This is an important example. Kindly watch this video till the end. Let us now see the question. Here is the question. X is any real number. An is the sequence and nth term of the sequence is given as this. We have to evaluate the limit of an when n tends to infinity. That is, here is some mistake. This is n tends to infinity, not x. This is n tends to infinity. So before solving this problem, let us see some key points. So friends, if you did not watch the first video of this series, kindly watch this video, because the question that we are now discussing is based on the result of previous video that we solved earlier. Here we will directly use the result of the solution of the previous video. And secondly, the greatest integer function, the definition and a few properties of the greatest integer function will be discussed here. And lastly, the limit of functions. Here is the definition of greatest integer function. This is a function whose domain is the set of all real numbers and codomain is the set of all integers. This is defined by fx equals box x. This denotes the greatest integer not greater than x. Again I am repeating the definition. The function greatest integer function is defined as fx equals box x, where box x denotes the greatest integer not greater than x, that is not exceeding x. Here are a few examples of greatest integer functions. If we take box of minus 3.4, this will give you minus 4. If we take box of 2.1, this will give you 2. Let us now see some properties of greatest integer function. This function is also popularly known as step function because of the graph of the function. This is like steps. Here are 5 properties of the greatest integer functions listed, but we will use the property number 4 to solve our question. I am repeating the property number 4. Box of x plus n equals box x plus n for any real number x and any integer n. Let us now again see the question. Here in the nth term of the sequence an, you see carefully these terms. If we use the property number 4 of the greatest integer function, we will get from the first term box x plus 1. This will be box x plus 1. Similarly, from the second part, we will get box of 2x plus 2 reduces to box 2x plus 2. Similarly, from the third term and so on. Let us now see the solution. Here the expressions reduces to box of x plus 1, box of 2x plus 2, box of 3x plus 3. Here is some mistake. This will be box of 3x plus 3, not 2. If we add the equalities, the equations, after adding and then dividing by n square, we get this 1 by n square into box x plus box 2x plus box 3x plus dot dot plus box nx plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 n, which is written in compact form using the formula of sum of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we take the limit n tends to infinity. What we get from this expression, we will get x by 2. So how this expression, and after taking limit, the result is x by 2. This was the question of this series. This is the first question of this series. So to know this, you must watch the first question solution of the video. Now after taking limit n tends to infinity in the second expression, we will get 1 by 2, and finally the limit will be x by 2 plus 1 by 2. So friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and you can give also your valuable suggestions regarding this video. Thank you for watching this video.